Hello there. So in this episode, we're going to install the Intelllij IDE for our coding environment. So first of all, go to the Google and type Intelllij IDE download. And you will see a website called jetprints.com and click on this link. And here you can see two download options, Ultimate one and Community one. And since we are just learning and all of those tasks can be done with this community version, so we're going to download the community one. And here you can see the different platforms. So I'm running macOS, that's I'm going to select the macOS. If you are running Linux, then go for Linux, and if you are running the Windows, go for Windows one. Okay, so for now let me click on this download button. And my downloads has started. So this is a large file. I'm gonna pause this video. Alright, so once your download is complete, go to your download folder and you should see your DMG file. So just double click on that and it will going to verify. And just drag this ID to your application folder. And that's it, your Intelllij IDE installed in your Mac operating system. So let's open up that. So open your Spotlight and type Intelllij IDE. And just open your IDE from there. And your operating system will going to prompt a message. Just click open. Click don't import setting and click OK. Click on that checkbox and hit continue. Okay, so if you want to send the usage status, do that. For now I'm not going to do that. Don't send. So I'm going to choose the Dracula one, and for rest of the things I'm just gonna skip remaining and set default. Okay, so just click on that and your IDE Intelllij will open up and you should see this box. And from the next episode we're going to write the code on this IDE. So see you in the next episode.